Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the ChatGPT something went wrong error. First, you're going to go ahead and refresh the page or swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for ChatGPT, swipe it away, closing it completely, wait for a few while and then reopen it. This error is often caused by temporary glitches. Next, check your internet connection and make sure that it is stable. A poor connection can trigger this error. If you're using a browser, clear cache and cookies from the settings and reload the page. Then, try using a different browser or switch to incognito mode. This helps if extensions or saved data are causing the issue. Then disable any kind of VPN if you are using one because some VPNs can interfere with your connection. If the error still appears, then you'll have to wait for some times and try again because it may be a server side issue. That's how you fix the ChatGPT something went wrong error. Do not forget to subscribe for more helpful guides.